Hole tactic. The system can automatically recognize 2 to 5x hole features and generate drilling toolpaths. It saves programming time by 70 to 90%. This is a hole model with many different 3x holes and 5x holes. Go to CAM Manager first and add the stock. Right-click Geometry, pick the stock file. Blank the part to check the stock. Click Drill Hole function to insert hole tactic. Then right-click to define the machining feature. Pick part to add. Then right-click Hole tactic to calculate operations. Click here to expand the operations. Take a look at the toolpath. You will find 5x holes are not machined. Now, edit hole tactic. Set axis type to 5-axis, then calculate it again. So far, all toolpaths have been created. Right-click operations to pick Solid Verify. The system simulates the actual machining process, providing reliable and efficient machining. This has been a small introduction to hole tactic.